Hey everybody and welcome in. Today we're going to talk about the new Twitch alerts. So if you do not know, Twitch now has their own alerts system baked into their own platform. So you don't have to go to third-party sites like Stream Elements or Streamlabs or any of the other options. You can do all your alerts through Twitch. Now, I personally love these new alerts, and I've been using them for a while now. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing you're going to know is when you first come here, you don't actually have to set up the basic alerts yourself. There should be a bleed purple alert box right here, ready to go. And it's going to have all of the basic stuff in it that you're going to need. Now, to add this into OBS, you're going to copy your browser source down here in the bottom right-hand corner. Copy that. Then we're going to go ahead and bring it over here, and we're going to add it to our OBS software using the browser source. Twitch. We're going to copy that and paste it in there. Click OK, and now our alert box is there. And we can test that out. Send test alert. We're going to hear it twice because I'm on the computer. There we go. Okay, so now you see how to add that in there. Very, very simple, very easy to do. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cover some of the basics of the Twitch alerts. There are variants inside of here, which is what I love the most. So let's say we have a follower, a new follower. This is the basic follower thing, right? It's nothing special. So we have new follower. We can change the name of the follower category. We can also change the conditions. Now for follower, there's only follow, so there's no real condition. But if you go to subscriber base, you'll see that you can change by how many, or if you do gifted subs, you can say, hey, these people gifted at least 2 subs, each people gifted at least 3, blah, blah, blah. So for here, for the general settings, again, you can change how long it's on the screen. You can change the transition style of in and out. In the layout, if you have a custom one, or if you just have a preferred method of how you want your text to look, you can move where the text and image are going to appear. You can change the background color, its opacity, which is at stock at 0. For text speech, as you see right here, we can change the font of our alerts. So we can get that custom font in there if we want. You can change the accent color here and the regular text color. Here is one of my favorite ones because as a streamer, you are not always able to fully pay attention to what's going on in chat. You can have it say your alert as you just heard a little bit ago. There's also AI voices. They're AI voices, so don't expect too much from them, but there are some that sound okay, like Russell here from Australia. Not too bad, but you go to some of these other ones and you start hearing that robotic voice a lot more. For visuals and sound, you can change the image or the GIF that is playing. So yes, you can add in custom GIFs. So if you have a favorite GIF meme or something that you want to toss in there you go. You can also have custom sounds that you can upload. There's also a sound library where you will have options of using some as well. And you can upload your own sounds, and you have around 2 gigs worth of storage, a little bit less than 2 gigs actually, of storage that you can upload your own sounds to. Just be mindful not to violate Twitch's community guidelines by uploading an inappropriate GIF. And don't violate copyright infringement by uploading a song you shouldn't be uploading. Celebration. I love celebration, and I've actually could think about this one for a while. So if we were to add in just a bunch of variations, we click randomize, right? All of these will be random. If we take one of these and we give them fireworks extreme, how cool would it be if one of your new followers every once in a rare while would trigger a special alert that we can have? So we can go here to the image library. We can add in that sound library. let's say, not that. Oh, it's definitely not that. Add that. So every once in a while, one of our new followers will randomly trigger this alert right here. That's a cool variation that you can do for here as well. So that's an option, and I love it. Again, for subscriptions, you have conditionals you can have up here at the top, general settings. You can have not followers, hello, prime sub. You can have which tier they are subbed at and everything else. You can also have cheering. Here you can set up your TTS bits as well. So if you want, anytime somebody does over 200 bits, there's a TTS involved with it. And you can set that up down here where it will, thank you, where it will say the cheer message. So they'll put 200 bits in, say a message, bam, and it's there for them to use. The other options also, hype train. There are options for hype train variations as well. And my personal favorite is channel point redemptions. If you want a channel point redemption for TTS as well, you can do that here. You can also do your custom sounds. So like you want to have a new variant and we want it to be for drinking some water or a stretch. So we read redemption for stretch. Come down here to the visuals and sound. We can add in our own GIF of something, and then we can add in our own alert. Very nice to do. And I love that this is now possible within Twitch. And if you have any questions at all on how to set this up, if you want any more information, please let me know. But essentially, we covered what you needed to know in the first 2 seconds of this video, and you spent the last 5 minutes watching it still. Thank you. Bye.